In this tutorial, we're going to be programming the solenoid body strategy and solenoid body ID into the TCM for a forward front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. It's important after installing FMP programming that you do check the information under the utility sub-tab after clicking on forward and then this Swiss Army knife. You can set user information. Make sure your user ID is correct. Select your pass-through device. Make sure the correct one is listed here. After all requirements are filled, you can click back on the car, hit continue. Always want to start a new session. So you want to click X. And you can either hold or save the recordings or delete them. I'm going to delete them and start a new one. That's usually the best choice. Continue again. Start a new session. You can either double click up here or single click and hit the tick mark. Just making sure you have an internet connection. Confirm. Make connection as shown. Set the ignition switch on at this time. Apply parking brake. Make sure that your device is plugged in and powered up into your computer. Press the tick mark. Select the model year. This particular one is a 2011. Select if your vehicle is equipped with a navigational system or not. Verify the information here. Click yes. And at the same time, it's doing a network test at the bottom. It's gathering vehicle data. So just wait patiently. Verify the VIN. The next one is your RO. That is your personal RO. So you can put any kind of information in there you'd like. The odometer. Notice it's in kilometers. You can change the setting if you'd like in the toolbox. This is stating that it found a previous session or whatnot, and the next screen will allow you to choose from a list of VINs or create a new one. As I stated before, the best thing is to create a new one. So you want to click none of the above. Verify this information. It does say it's complete. Now we're ready to actually do the programming. So select the toolbox, module programming, programmable parameters, transmission. This is just basically telling you there's multiple locations for the VIN, so it takes a little while to go through the process. Check the VIN, it is correct. Read over this information. Now it's locating the necessary files. This is stating the fuel pump and engine cooling fans will run during the following procedure. It's recommended that their fuses be removed to prevent electrical interferences and battery drain while programming. You can also install a battery maintainer or put a charger on the battery and put it on the lowest amperage setting as possible to maintain a constant voltage. All accessories turned off. Battery is good. The next step is we're going to enter the solenoid body ID in. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and enter that in. You can use the keyboard or you can actually use this on the screen. I like to use the keyboard. Okay, got all that entered in. You just press the tick mark. It's stating it is correct. If you have an incorrect one, it will tell you so, unless you've accidentally entered a correct one in for the wrong vehicle. This is basically telling you it cannot find the file on the computer. Do you wish to look on the network? So it's going to look on the internet, so yes. It did find the file. Switch the ignition switch off. Confirm. Ignition switch is off. Ignition switch on. Now it should start programming momentarily. Okay, we've got a bar graph note now going across the screen. The PCM is programming. Programming is nearly complete on the PCM. It's going to go through another step, erase procedure. In case you're wondering, I am skipping ahead. Okay, again, programming is nearly complete. It's going through another procedure now. Okay, the session is nearly complete now. Notice there are multiple locations like it said before, so this is normal for it to go through several downloading data and multiple PCM module programming sessions. I'm going to skip ahead once again. Okay, nearly done with this session. This is telling you to reinstall your engine cooling fan and fuel pump fuses if you did remove them. Programming was successful. Calibration has been loaded and checked. This is telling you to perform a drive cycle prior to returning to the vehicle customer owner. If the drive cycle is not completed, the operator may experience erratic shifts and drivability concerns. Here's that procedure. Procedure is complete.